isn't gonna eat a sour over here.
Got it? Oh, hang on.
This is good.
Okay, in your mouth.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
Put it all the way in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth. Is it good? Is it sour? Is it delicious? Is it good or not good? Is it good? It's not good? How you doing? Doing okay? Is it a little sour?
Pa. I'll make it.
Is it too sour?
I think I got one in my eye. That's gross. Ah! Gross.
Gross, but you just can't stop, eh?
Too gross. Guys, you still need to eat this. My tongue now. Gross. Ah! Gross. Protect my mouth. Ah! Gross.
What's that called again? What are you eating?
A warhead.
Is it really sour?
Ah! This is so gross.
But you just can't stop.